back to Arun XLO presents Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. The original name of the Mahabharata is Jaya Samhita. Let us see the next semi-finalists for today.
Sani da pa ma pa da ni sari pirava varam tarum Gari sani da pa da ni sari pirava varam tarum Pa ma ga ma da pa ma pa ni da pa da Sani da ni re sa sani ni da pa ma pa da ni pirava varam tarum Re sa ni sari re sa ni sari sani re sani da pa ma pa da ni sari gari sani da re sani da pa ma ga ma pa da pa ma pa da ni sari re sani da pa ma pa da ni gari sani da re sa ni da pa ga ma pa da ni pirava varam tarum.
That was a wonderful performance. So many different contestants and so many beautiful performances. We are on a quest to pick the best one. To pick your favorite contestant, type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Only SMS votes are valid. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say for the performance.
A very nice rendition of Latangi, Piravaram Tarum. You started off with a brief alapana, which was very crisp and neat, followed by the Kriti, your Neraval in Anupallavi and the Swara portions were also very well rendered, and it was a confident rendition and very neat. I loved your rendition. All the best.
Thank you Shanti ma'am for your comments. It is no easy job to be a judge for this show. The judges watch all your performances and give individual comments to everyone. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say for your performance.
The best part about your rendition was your very sweet voice that made it an absolute pleasure to listen to, and your singing was of a good standard. My only wish was, and I know this is difficult when the time is short, but if you could pause a little bit during the Nerval. Piravaram tarum pirava, something like that. It adds so much to the bhava of the rendition. So you can do that in future. Overall, well sung.
Thank you Manasi ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say for your performance.
Overall, it was neat. You have a very sweet melodic voice. it's very fragile. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சின்ன வாய்ஸ். Sounds very pleasing. Yes, it was a very pleasant rendition throughout. Not much of excitement, I would say, although you sang Ragam and then Kriti, Nerval and then Swaram. I felt கொஞ்சம் ஒரு மாதிரி நான் எல்லாத்தையும் பாடணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு அவசரம் அதுல தெரிஞ்சுது. ஸோ மேபி அதை கொஞ்சம் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணா இன்னும் நல்லா இருக்கும். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ வென் யூ சிங் அப்பர் நோட்ஸ் யூ கேன் பி மோர் கிளியர் அபவுட் த நோட்ஸ். இன்னும் லூசிடா அந்த நோட் என்னங்கிறது வந்து இன்னும் கிளியரா புரிஞ்சா இன்னும் நல்லா இருக்கும்.
Thank you, Mahati ma'am, for your comments. Let us see the performance of our next semi-finalist.
राज राज राधिते हे राज राज राधिते हे राज राज राधिते हे राज राज राधिते नादनिते शारते राज राज राधिते राज राज राधिते नादनिते शारदे राज राज राधिते तेजश्रित श्रीललित तेजश्रित श्रीललित तेजश्रित श्रीललित श्रीश सहजाये तेजश्रित श्रीललित श्रीश सहजाये गधनि सनि द गरि स गरि सनि द धनि सरि गरि गधनि सनि धनि रे गरि सनि द गरि सनि सरि गधनि सनि द गरि सनि द धनि सरि गरि गधनि सनि धनि रे गरि सनि द गरि सनि सरि राज राज राधिते नी हरिकेश राणी नी नित्य कल्याणी नी हरिकेश राणी नी नित्य कल्याणी नीने श्री कृष्णेन्द्रुनि नीने श्री कृष्णेन्द्रुनि रक्षण चण जगजननी गधनि सनि द गरि सनि द धनि सरि गरि गधनि सनि धनि रे गरि सनि द गरि सनि सरि गधनि सनि द गरि सनि द धनि सरि गरि गधनि सनि धनि रे गरि सनि द गरि सनि सरि राज राज राधिते
Amazing performance. To pick your favorite contestant, type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about the performance.
You sang Raja Raja Radite of Arikesh Nallur Muttaya Bhagavatar in Niroshta Ragam. This is a very rare composition and raga which has only 5 swaras. It does not, Niroshta means without the lips, which does not have ma and pa. So you sang well, but throughout the song the alignment of the pitch was lacking. So you need to concentrate on the pitch and sing. It would have been very nice if you had sung on the pitch throughout. So keep a watch when you're singing. That pitch is very important. Though you have learned the composition well, it will not sound good if you don't sing on the pitch. Take care. All the best.
Thank you, Shanti ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about the performance.
Niroshta, Rajarajradite, you have attempted it, being a very close to my heart ragam. I feel you have attempted it way too early. These are ragams and the way you have sung. இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு பல வருஷங்கள் பாடி 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 அப்படியே இன்வாலண்டரியா அந்த நோட்ஸ் வந்து நமக்குள்ள அப்படியே இருக்கும். அது அப்படியே தானா கொட்டணும். அப்போதான் வந்து நம்ம பாடும் போது அது தப்பு இல்லாம வரும். The பாடாந்திரம் is ராஜ ராஜ ராதிதே நாரதே சரதே. அவ்வளவுதான். சோ இதுல இவ்ளோ பிளே அரவுண்ட் பண்றதுக்கு அவசியமே இல்லை. அதே மாதிரி இந்த ஒதுக்குறது இது எல்லாமே ஐ திங்க் you've attempted it way too early. When you don't present it to 100%, இதெல்லாம் பண்ணும்போது அது 100% எஃபெக்டோல பண்ணலன்னா the whole effect is lost. So please நிறைய இவ்ளோ playing around with notes எல்லாம் வந்து can be definitely there is a very long way to go to attempt all this.
Thank you, Mahati ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about your performance.
You sang the beautiful composition of Muttaya Bhagavatar in the raga Niroshta, and for the benefit of the viewers who may not know, this raga is named Niroshta because all the swaras in this raga are sung without touching the lips together. Sari ga dha ni sa, sa ni dha ga ri sa. So ma and pa, where we touch the lips together, are not there. That's why it's called Niroshta, without touching the lips. And coming to your rendition, it was good. This is a challenging song to sing, and you rendered it quite well. Your sense of rhythm is good. Every time you sing those akaras while stopping at the Pallavi and Charana, you have to make sure every swara needs to be in place. It is challenging, I know, but keep trying. Overall, it was well sung and well presented.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comments. Who is the half brother of Kubera? I'll tell you the answer after a small break.
Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa. Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa.
Welcome back to Arun XLO presents Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. The half-brother of Kubera was Ravana. Let us see our next semi-finalist for today.
Mati lahaniti Shri Pravridha Shrimati Lavanyani Mati lahaniti Tilivini vadhi Lushi
తెలియని బాలుడగాదా అమ్మ తెలియని బాలుడగాదా అమ్మ తెలివిని సొమ్ముగా ఆదా చల్లమూసేయ మరియాదా చల్లమూసేయ మరియాదా చల్లమూసేయ మరియాదా చల్లని మాటను బల్కరాదా చల్లని మాటను బల్కరాదా లలితే శ్రీ ప్రవృద్ధ శ్రీమతి లావణ్యని
That was an amazing performance. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say for the performance.
Nice Bhairavi. Having taken up Bhairavi, ஒரு flash ராகம் பாடி இருந்திருக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னோட ஒப்பீனியன். You have a very restricted voice, so அது மேல பாடுறச்செல்லாம் ஒரு ஈஸ் ஓட பாட முடியறது இல்லை, அது தெரியறது. So you definitely have to work on that. And சில இடங்கள்ல வந்து கட் பண்றது வந்து அப்படியே ஒரு சீம்லெஸ்ஸா அதை பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும். So you can definitely work on that.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say for the performance.
Your rendition of Lalite in Bhairavi was good, and it was sung in a solid way, which is always nice to listen. I feel you need to work more on your voice culture. Of course, everybody doesn't have the same kind of voice, and it's nice to have different textures of voice, but that means you have to work a little harder, especially in the above Tarasa. You seemed to struggle a little bit, and there seemed to be a little dryness even in the lower octaves. So I think you just need to work a little more on your voice culture. It might be something as simple as just hydrating more, drinking more water, and spending more time in warm-ups. Overall, it was a good standard of rendition. Keep it up.
Thank you Manasi ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about the performance.
You sang Lalite in Bhairavi, a Tyagarajar composition. You sang throughout the song. Your rendition was very confident, and all the sangatis were perfect and very neat presentation. All the best.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. In this segment, Isai Peroli Sangeeta Natak Academy winner Saket Ram has created a series on Carnatic music. Let us cross over with Saket.
The melody of the song is the most haunting aspect. Music knows no boundaries. It doesn't know any language. A film number that was composed in Malayalam was reused in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi and other languages as well. This was a composition of Ilayaraja sir. I think by now you should have guessed the song. I will sing the Tamil version of it. Sangathil paadada kavidai angathil yaar thandadu சந்தத்தில் மாறாத நடையோடு என் முன்னே யார் வந்தது தமிழ் சங்கத்தில் பாடாத கவிதை அங்கத்தில் யார் தந்தது சந்தத்தில் மாறாத நடையோடு என் முன்னே யார் வந்தது தமிழ் சங்கத்தில் பாடாத கவிதை அங்கத்தில் யார் தந்தது கை என்றே செங்காந்தள் மலரே நீ சொன்னால் நான் நம்பவோ கால் என்றே செவ்வாழை இலைகளை நீ சொன்னால் நான் நம்பிவிடவோ மை கொஞ்சம் பொய் கொஞ்சம் கண்ணுக்குள் நீ கொண்டு வருவாய் காலத்தால் மூவாத உயர் தமிழ் சங்கத்தில் பாடாத கவிதை அங்கத்தில் யார் தந்தது. Let's see how if we were to take this tune and adapt it into a Carnatic music composition.
போதவந்தரு கோவே நமோ நம நீதி தங்கிய தேவா நமோ நம ஊதலந்தனை ஆழ்வாய் நமோ நம பணியாவும் ஊணுகின்ற பிரானே நமோ நம வேடர்த்தம் கொடிமாலா நமோ நம போதவன் புகழ் சாமி நமோ நம அரிதானா வேத மந்திர ரூபா நமோ நம ஞான பண்டிதநாதா நமோ நம விரு கண்டை கொள்தாளா நமோ நம அழகானா மேனி தங்கிய வேளே நமோ நம வான பைங்கொடி வாழ்வே நமோ நம வீறு கொண்ட விசாக்கா நமோ நம அருள் தாராய் பெருமாளே அருள் தாராய் அருள் தாராய் பெருமாளே அருள் தாராய். இப்போ பாடின பாடல் அருணகிரிநாதரோட பாடல். திருப்புகழ் அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம தமிழுக்கே ஒரு புகழ். முருகப்பெருமான் மேலே ஏற்றிய வரிகள். Arunagirinath's speciality is Santa Talam. Tala meter follows the lyrical meter. And he has composed so many different Tala meters like this. As you can see, Carnatic music can adapt to various forms and interpretations. We can pick a film number and then set the same tune, or lot of film numbers have been composed based on Carnatic compositions. So you can see that Carnatic music is omnipresent. When we start singing a Tirupugar in Carnatic music concerts, it means that it's time for you to book a cab. Yes, the concert is coming to a finish. As I always say, Carnatic music is meant for everybody and it can be sung by everybody. Let's cross over together in our next episode.
That was a delightful segment. This is Nitya signing off from Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. Namaste.
Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum